Why is steamed egg custard so hard to clean? Because once it dries, it sticks tightly to the surface. Even scraping it with your fingernail barely works. A regular sponge doesn't help either. Look, there are still residues left. So let's upgrade the method. This is the sponge we normally use for greasy dishes. It works fine for regular oil stains. But for dried egg custard, it still fails. Try a steel scrubber instead. Look, much better results. So the real question is, what should you clean with? For tough stains like this, you need a steel scrubber. A normal